All right. LDBC. This is your boy, Coach Sheldon Harrison. You're live on the Coach Sheldon Harrison Combat Sports Show live. And my homegirl, my girl, the lone wolf, Alexa Grasso. You guys all heard probably that she had knee surgery. And this is something, I'm kind of upset about this one because, Alexa says that it really wasn't that bad. She said it wasn't that bad. And she said that, she'll be back in no time. But, knee surgery, you got to go through your weeks of rehab. And, it is going to be a lot for her to get back into fighting shape, And, yeah, I'm a little bit down by this one, okay? I am. Because I'm a huge fan of Alexa Grasso. And, I even reached out to her on social media, and she responded saying that, she's doing fine. But, she said she just, definitely needs words of, just people being positive. So, the coach is going to definitely give Alexa Grasso the motivational message of a lifetime. And definitely the coach is going to do that this weekend. When I'm done with all the interviews and done with doing all the editing work that I have to do with these interviews, the coach is going to give Alexa Grasso the best motivational message on God's green earth. I'm going to tell you something, okay? Don't miss it. Alexa, has been training hard. And I know that, I've kind of really gotten to know her just going back and forth, from her social media. She kind of, is very, very friendly, very friendly. And she will respond back to the average fan. She tries to respond to as many as she can. And she responds to me kind of quickly now because, she's seen a couple of videos that I made. But it's kind of cool, man. It's kind of cool. She's a real down-to-earth girl who, she works very hard. She works hard, and she just wants to be the best at what she's doing. And so that could probably explain a couple of things, too, in the Marcos fight. Because I'm like, she looks better, but it's just, she's not moving the way I'm normally used to seeing her move. So now this lingering knee pain is, she's got it surgically repaired. So it'll definitely make a definite performance in her game, Because, knee injuries, it's nothing to play with, man, because you can actually, your career can be done if you let the knee injuries linger around too long. And, she didn't want to do that. So Alexa just opted to go ahead and have the surgery. And, this is Alexa, choked up on anesthesia. So, she acting kind of crazy and goofy and silly. And I'm like, damn, Alexa ass is silly, And, I said, Alexa, girl, ain't nobody punch you in the head. You're not punch drunk. You just got anesthesia, Alexa. That's just the way that is. But definitely looking forward to the lone wolf coming back. I'm looking for the wolf to come back and start hunting down some of these females in that strawweight division. Grasso, that the coach and everybody rolling, strong with the coach. Alexa Grasso, we support you. We love watching your fights. Hey, you know what? You're definitely on my top 5 most favorite fighter list of the Coach Sheldon Harrison Combat Sports Show Live. I mean, you are. Because you are, to me, what a fighter embodies, okay? Mind, body, and spirit. That's Alexa Grasso, the Wolf. And shout out to Lobo. Shout out to Lobo MMA. Lobo, they've done a tremendous job with her. I know people saying, well, Alexa needs to go and move out of this and do that. No, man. Lobo MMA, they've done a magnificent job with this girl's career. And I think Alexa's just going to get better. She's young. She's very young. But, definitely, this girl has a focus like I've never seen. I guarantee you, Alexa, she's probably going to try to get back in there and start training again. I mean, she is. She's going to work on something that's going to not utilize the knee that she just got surgically repaired. But if I know Alexa Grasso, she's going to go hard in rehab, and she's going to push herself to the limits to get herself back in the fighting shape. I don't know. Hopefully we can see Alexa, hopefully we can see her, maybe in February, That'd be cool if we can see her in February fight again. I would love it because I know that they were really looking at booking Alexa and keeping her booked, having her fighting 3 times a year, which that's what Alexa wants too, to fight 3-4 times a year to really get things going. But, shout out to her though. Shout out to the Lone Wolf. And hopefully since, she's going to be grounded for a while, maybe I can get her, on the show. I'm going to try, because her English, and people keep telling me she speaks good English, but her English really is not as good as people think it is. It's not that great. But you guys tell me what you think. This is your boy, Coach Sheldon Harrison. I'm done. What are you guys waiting on? Subscribe to the best women's MMA platform on YouTube.